Hey everyone, and welcome back to our AWS AI Certified Practitioner series. Today we're jumping into two really powerful services that help us make sense of the most common data on the planet, text. We're going to be breaking down Amazon Comprehend and Amazon Translate. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll have the key ideas totally locked in for your exam.
Let's just be honest for a second. Building AI and machine learning models from scratch, it's really hard. It takes a ton of expertise, huge amounts of data, and some seriously complex infrastructure. But what if you could just sidestep all of that? What if you could tap into world-class, pre-built AI with a simple API call? Well, that's the absolute magic behind AWS Managed AI Services, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today.
All right, here's our game plan for this session. First, we'll cover the why, the big advantage of using a managed service. Then, we're diving straight into Amazon Comprehend, looking at what it does right out of the box before we unlock its custom superpowers. After that, we'll see how Amazon Translate can just completely smash through language barriers. And to wrap it all up, we'll put together a handy little cheat sheet, making sure you've got everything you need for the exam. Sound good? Let's get started.
Okay, so let's start with the most fundamental question. Why would you even use a pre-trained AI service in the first place? Getting this is totally key to understanding the value of pretty much the entire AWS AI stack. The single biggest reason, and it is a huge one, is this. You don't need to be a machine learning expert. Seriously, AWS has already done all the heavy lifting for you, training these massive models on enormous datasets. This means you get to focus on what you do best, which is solving your business problem, instead of getting bogged down in the super complex world of building and training models. It really puts the power of AI into the hands of pretty much any developer.
And the perks don't stop there. For your exam, think about these four key pillars. First, you get incredible responsiveness and availability, because these services are deployed globally. Second, they're built for redundancy across multiple availability zones, so they're super resilient. Third, you get amazing performance because you're tapping into AWS's specialized hardware without having to manage a single thing. And finally, the pricing. It's pay-as-you-go, so no more paying for expensive servers just sitting around. You only pay for what you actually use.
Okay, so let's move on to our first service and see how this all works in the real world. It's time to unlock the power of text with Amazon Comprehend, which is AWS's main service for what we call natural language processing, or NLP. So what is it exactly? Well, Amazon Comprehend is a fully managed and serverless NLP service. Now, those key words, fully managed and serverless, are super important. They mean you don't have to worry about any of the underlying infrastructure. Its whole job is to use machine learning to read a block of text and pull out valuable information. Things like key phrases, the sentiment of the text, and even the relationships between different words.
One of Comprehend's most powerful features right out of the box is something called Named Entity Recognition, or NER for short. But instead of me just explaining it, let's look at a real example. Imagine you feed this sentence into Comprehend. It doesn't just see a jumble of words. It actually understands the context and the meaning behind them. And this is what Comprehend sees. It automatically figures out that Zhang Wei and John are people, it knows any company financial services is an organization, and it recognizes July the 31st as a date. And here's the best part, this all happens automatically with literally zero training from you. You can probably already imagine how powerful this is for sorting through things like customer emails, news articles, or legal documents to instantly find out the who, the what, and the when.
But what happens when you need to find information that's specific to your business? I mean, standard categories like person or date are great, but they might not be enough. And this is where Comprehend's real superpowers come into play. The ability to train the service for your own unique needs.
Okay, for the exam, this is a really critical point. You have to know the difference between the two ways to customize Comprehend. Custom classification looks at the entire document and gives it a single label. Think, is this whole email a complaint or is it a billing inquiry? On the other hand, custom entity recognition dives inside the document to find and pull out specific bits of text, like a policy number or a product code. So one is about the whole document and the other is about finding specific parts within it.
Let's dig a little deeper into custom classification. This is where you get to teach Comprehend all about your business rules. You just give it examples of documents and the labels you want to use, like support request, billing inquiry, or complaint.
Comprehend then goes off and trains a private model just for you that can automatically sort all of your future documents into the exact categories you created.
And then we have custom entity recognition. This is what you use when you need to pull out very specific noun-based terms that are totally unique to your industry. The standard NER isn't going to know what a policy number or a product SKU is, right? But you can teach it. You just provide a list of the entities you care about along with some documents that contain them, and Comprehend will build a custom model designed to find and extract that specific data for you.
And you might be surprised at how straightforward this whole process is. You just start by providing examples, basically your documents, all labeled correctly, uploaded to an S3 bucket. Then you tell Comprehend what your custom categories or entities are. From there, Comprehend takes over, building and training a private model behind the scenes. And once it's ready, you can start running analysis on new documents using your very own custom AI. Pretty cool, huh? So Comprehend is amazing for understanding text in one language, but what if your business operates all over the world? Let's switch gears to our next service and see how we can cross those language barriers with Amazon Translate. Amazon Translate, well, it does exactly what you think it does. It's a service that's all about providing natural, accurate language translation. The main goal here is to help you localize your content, like websites and apps, for international users, or to efficiently translate massive volumes of text, like a whole backlog of customer support tickets. Let's use a super simple example to see how it works. We've got a basic phrase here in English. And bam, just like that, with a single API call, you can translate that original text into dozens of different languages. Here we're seeing it in French, Portuguese, and Hindi. It's incredibly fast and it scales, which lets you build applications that can speak to users all over the world in their own native language. All right, we have covered a ton of ground. We've seen how to understand text with Comprehend and how to translate it with Translate. So now, let's boil all of this down into your AI practitioner cheat sheet with the absolute key takeaways you're going to need for the exam. So if you remember anything, remember this. For Amazon Comprehend, its core job is to find insights in text using NLP. The key concepts for the exam are that it's fully managed and serverless, and that it offers both standard features like named entity recognition and the power to build custom models. For Amazon Translate, the task is simple: translate text. The key concept you want to associate with it is localization, using it to adapt your websites and apps for a global audience. So, as we wrap up, I'm going to leave you with this question. Now that you know how to use AI to automatically understand and translate text, what's the first business problem you're going to solve? Are you going to analyze customer feedback at scale, automate your document processing, or maybe build a truly global application? The possibilities are really endless, and with these services, they're a lot closer than you might think. Thanks for joining me on this one.